The 2014 Dart. The Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced, shorter wheelbase, full-size Dodge in 1960 and 1961, became a mid-size car for 1962, and finally was a compact from 1963 to 1976. Chrysler had previously applied the Dart name to a Ghia-built show car in 1956 and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 6-speed automatic transmission standard, front floor mats, rear floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.